Hello guys, welcome back to Coding Cafe. My name is Mohammed Ali, and in this video we are going to allow admin to change the product price, or you can say change the product details, or let's say delete the product. If let's say if the product is no longer available in the company or in the store, so the admin can delete that product so that the user cannot purchase that specific product. Or let's say if the price of the product increase or decrease, then the admin can change the product price. That is, we will allow admin to edit the product details and also to delete specific product from the list so that the user cannot purchase that specific product if it is not available. So yeah, we will be doing that. So before starting, if you are new to our channel, then please subscribe our channel Coding Cafe, and don't forget to follow me on my Twitter and Instagram account by this username, where you guys will get recent updates about any project, about this project, the AI music player app, and any other project. Okay, so don't forget to follow me on my Twitter and Instagram account by this username, and let's start this. So for that, first of all, go to the activity admin category.xml file, okay, which is this activity basically. So what we're gonna do is just add a button here, okay. So first of all, I'm going to change the height of these buttons, okay. Instead of wrap content, I can give it 42 dp. Same we will change here for this button, 42 dp. And let's add another button, copy it and paste it here. First of all, change the ID of it to, can give it a proper ID, that is maintain products, which means edit the product details and delete a product, which you will do, okay. So maintain button, okay. And here we can give it text, that is maintain products. That's it, and we have to move it above this button. So for that, what we're gonna do is we can just cut this from here, okay. Not like that. What we're gonna do is copy this check orders button, okay. Copy this and paste that here, which is this button, okay. So paste that here and it will move above the check new order button. So yeah, this is all about, this is our three buttons. So yeah, it is fine. Now let's go to the admin category.java file, which is over this one, and here we need to cast this button, and the name of this button is maintain products button. And then here we can just copy paste this, change this to maintain products button. The ID is maintain button. Let me confirm it. Maintain button, yes. So now whenever a user click on this button, here we can say maintain button dot set on click listener, new on click listener. We are going to send the user, just copy this code from here, okay, and paste that here. So we are going to send the user to the home activity, okay. First let me check. Yes, this is our main activity, okay, for the user, where the user can see all the products. But we will now do some changes for the admin. We have to differentiate between the end user and admin if the admin want to edit, okay. So here we need to do changes. First of all, change this main activity to home activity, and one more thing is to send the data, in order to differentiate between the admin and the end user, okay. So here we can just say intent dot put extra, and we can give it name as admin, comma, and yeah, we will pass a same string for it, okay, admin, and remove this, finish, and yeah, that is okay. Now we have to receive this value on the home activity, as I told you that we we'll be using that in order to differentiate between the admin and user. So we can say a private string. We can give it a name as type. It will be equals to null. And then in our here we can just receive it at the top. We can say type equals to get intent dot get extras dot get, and we have to pass here the ID from the previous activity, which was this one. If we go back, this one, okay, make sure to use the same spelling, which is admin, okay, capital ADMIN, okay. So we receive that here, and now with the help of it we can say here, come down the home activity. When the on the main activity on the home activity, when a user click on any item, okay, then I mean any product, any specific product, then we send the user to the product details activity. Okay, this is for the end user. But in case of admin, we want that we should send the admin to other activity which we will create now, where the admin will be able to edit or delete any product. Okay, so for that, what we're going to do is here at the top, I mean above this, inside this onBind view holder method, here first let me write this condition. So here we can just say if type dot equals to admin, then this is for the admin, okay, and we will send the user to any other activity, not to the this activity, which is this one, okay, I mean this product details activity. Oh, sorry, we have to write this condition cut, okay, if else control X, cut this, and whenever the user or admin click on any item on the home activity, then we have to differentiate here, okay. So cut this intent now. So if it is admin, then we will send the user to the admin to other activity, but in case else means that anything except the admin, which means that this is the user, the end user, so we will send the user to the product details activity. And now here we will write the intent for sending the admin to the activity where he can maintain the products. So let's create a new activity, and here activity, empty activity, and we can just give it name as admin maintain products, admin maintain products activity. I just give proper name. You can give to these activities any name you want. So this is such a long name, that is admin maintain products activity. So anyways, let's wait for it. So the activity is launched successfully, and now here just we need to, let's change this to relative layout, and we can proceed further. And I want to check one thing, so let me check it first. So we have the product name, product price, product description, and any image view. That is okay. Okay, let's first come here. Okay, first let's close all the previous activity, and we just need to stay here on this one. This is the new activity we create, and this one, okay. So what I'm going to do is just first let's change this from relative layout to the card view, and margin top, start, and this thing, copy it, paste it here, and change this height to wrap content. Now what we're going to do is copy this whole relative layout, okay, copy this and paste that inside this card view, just like that. Now what we're going to do is here, first of all, we don't cut this, let's say cut this from here, and we will have an image view. And after that we need edit text. Okay, so change this to edit text, and we need, this is our edit text. Okay, we need to remove this text from, change this to hint. Okay, instead of this we can change this to hint, just like that. And one thing, if you want, you can change the background of it also. Okay, that is, first let me check if we have any design here. Yes, we have this button design. Okay, so yeah, what I'm going to do is give it a background of the input design. Okay, and let's give it some padding. Padding 12 will be good. Let's add some margin from all these sides, and 5 will be good. Okay, now the next thing is we need to change the other one also to edit text. So change this one to edit text and copy these 3 lines, which is this thing. Okay, copy it, just paste it here. Here you can see this, and change this Android text to hint. And also let's allow the user to change the product name also. So let's add a copy this edit text, copy it, and we need to paste it here and change this to product name. Okay, we have to give it, other name, except we have already used these IDs here on our product items layout, and I guess our app will crash if we go with the same IDs. Okay, but anyways, these are edit text and these are text view, but I think changing name will be good. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I can just say product image underscore maintain. So please make sure to change the IDs. Okay, just add this maintain with it so that we can differentiate with it. Product name maintain, product price maintain, and product description maintain. So yeah, now everything is okay, but this one edit text which we add just now, we have to give it now, we have to move it below the layout below. So copy this and paste that here, that's it. And now copy this ID, copy it and replace it with here, and now copy this ID and replace it with this one. So yeah, that's it. That is so cool. And one thing which is left is to add a button. Yeah, we need to add a button. So copy it and paste that here, change this edit text to button, and make sure to change this product description to products maintain button, or we can give it some proper name. This non apply changes button. Okay, and we need to give it some text first. So the text will be apply changes. Let's move it below the product description, so replace it with this ID. Okay, and now we have to change the design, the background of it to buttons, which is this one, and the text color for this will be Android white, and boom, here you can see this. Okay, if you want, you can change the text color to 18, and yeah, that is okay. And let's add these here on over this activity. Private, we have a button which is apply changes button. Then we have 3 edit text, sorry for that, and the first one is for the name, so we can just say name, price, description. Also if you want to change the hint, I mean for this one, so you can change, but it doesn't matter because we will retrieve the data from the Firebase and you will display it here. Okay, so these hints will not be these will not be visible at that time when we display the data here, the text from the database. But anyways, product name. Okay, so last thing is to display the picture, so it is an image view and we can give it a name as just image view. And then in here inside our on create, we can say apply changes button equals to find view by id or dot id dot apply changes. What's the id of it? It is apply changes. Oh, apply changes button. Apply changes button. Now let's copy paste this 4 times for the other fields. So we have name, we have price, we have description, and we have image view. For the name we can just say, okay, the ID is product name maintain. For the price it is product name product price maintain, this one. And for the description it is product description maintain, image view product image maintain. That's it. Now let's test the app to see how it works. So the app is running but it just crashed, okay, unfortunately, and we have to check the logcat, and here it says attempt to invoke virtual method on Java language string. Okay, so if you click on it, then here it, because we are already logged in as a user, okay, so it directly send me, when I run the app, it directly send me to the user, okay, to the end user from an end user activity I just go to the main activity, okay, directly. I hope you know that, the remember me feature. But anyways, we have to do something about this, because when we log in as a user, the end user, then it will show this error, but if you log in as an admin directly, it will not. So how we can do that? Now for that we need to add a validation here, okay, so control X, cut this line of code, because if we move from the end user, if we log in as an end user and if we go to the main activity, then the intent, or you can say this type which we are receiving, the intent will be empty, okay, so we have to check the intent at that time. So we can just say here if, okay, first of all let's get the intent equals to get intent, that's it. And then we have to check bundle equals to intent dot get extras. And now here we need to just add if condition, and we can check if bundle not equals to null, then we just receive, in that case only, if there is an intent, this activity receive, which is our home activity, okay. So if there is an intent, which means if we are coming from the admin activity, then only in that case this thing will work, okay, that is we will receive this admin value and this type will have this admin value, otherwise this will be ignored. Yeah, that's it. And yeah, the rest of the code will be same. Now let's run the app. So the app is running now successfully. Please wait, you are already logged in. So you can see, now I am logged in successfully as an end user, okay. Now let's check if we click on any product, then it must send us to the product details activity if we are logged in as end user. So here you can see this. It is working really nice. Okay, now I'm going to log out and check the I'm going to log in as an admin. Okay, so here, and I am an admin. Let me write phone number, then password, and then let's click login admin. So we are logged in successfully. Now let's click on this maintain products, and we are on the main activity. Now if we click on any product here, then it must send us to this activity, okay, which is our admin, the new activity. Yes, this activity, this one. So let's test it. Okay, click here, and it is not going. So we got a problem here. Okay, let's go to the home activity, and the problem will be here. Why it is not okay? Sorry, we forgot to write the intent for sending the user to this activity, which is our admin maintain products activity. Okay, so make sure, copy this, let's change it for the admin. Okay, so if it is admin, then we will send the user to admin maintain products activity dot class, and we will send the product ID alongside with it. Now let's test it once more time. So the app is running now successfully, and now let's log in as an admin. Password, and then let's click on that. And we are logged in successfully. Let's go to the maintain products. Unfortunately, we got another error here, and it is on the same thing. No, here. Okay, this thing, this is for the end user, where we display a text on the text view, the product name, I guess. Okay, yes, this is the current online user. So what we gonna do is Picasso profile image. Let me make sure. Here it is null. Okay, so we have to check. Here we need to add a validation, the same validation which we just add here. Okay, which is to check this admin. So yeah, that is okay. This is a small problem. Let's do it quickly. So one thing, Picasso get load prevent current, we don't need to do it. We have to do it. Cut this code, Control X. Okay, let's add a if condition first, which here we will check if type dot equals to admin. So if this is equals to admin, not equals to if type not equals to admin, which means that if it is user, then in that case we will do these things. Okay, to get the name and display it, and to get the profile picture on the here. If I show you, sorry, when we log in as an end user, then there is a navigation bar. Okay, then there we basically display these things, and for admin we just allow admin directly. So you are not going to set these things. There is no need, and we have already not taken name of the admin, and we just have the phone number of the admin and the password, I guess, in the database. So yeah, just add this validation and it will work. Okay, let's test it, and I hope this time it will work. So the app is running now successfully, and let me log in as an admin quickly. So we are logged in. Click on maintain products, and here we go. Now it is working. So I'm talking about this thing. Okay, when the admin login, then there is no need to display these things, because these things we just display for the users. When an end user log in from their account, but for the admin we have no such data related to the admin picture and admin name. but if you want, you can also implement that. Okay, I mean to display get first. For that, first we have to get the picture of the admin from the admin and the name of that admin and display it here, but there is no need for that because the end user, just we are doing these things for the end user. Okay, so the admin work is just to update the product. So let's test it. I mean, let's click on any product here. So I hope this will work now. Yes, it is working. Okay, so when we log in as an admin, it will send us to the admin maintain products activity. Now in the next tutorial, we will retrieve the data and we will allow the admin to change the product name, product price, and product description. Okay, and then he will click apply or changes button. Then that thing will be changed. Now one thing which I need to check again is the end user. Okay, so to make sure if there is any bug or anything. Okay, so let me log in now as a end user. So let's do it. Log in, and we are logged in successfully. Now if I click here, then here you can see this. Okay, so the end user, which is Muhammad Ali, this is the name and this is the profile picture of the user. And now if I log in as an end user and if I click on any product, then it will send me to the product details activity. Okay, because the end user will add things to the cart, I mean in order to purchase it. So yeah, this is working really nice. Now in the next video tutorial, we will allow the admin finally to edit the products and apply changes to the product prices and all the stuffs. I hope you understand it. I mean, I explained these things many times. So yeah, that's it for this video. And if anyone is new to our channel, then please subscribe our channel Coding Cafe. Don't forget to follow me on my Twitter and Instagram account by this username. See you and take care of yourself.